Hello everyone, welcome to CryptoReality. Please be advised that I'm not your financial advisor and everything I'm going to share here is based on my opinion. I'm not trying you to tell that what to buy or sell in here. I'm just giving you my insights. So now let's proceed to XRP US dollar. Look at this, we have some nice relief rally after this big dump here to around 1.05, 1.06 level area for XRP. But I'm still thinking we're not done yet. Okay, I was just thinking on a daily time frame we can see some bullish divergence right here while your price is going down to this level of mine, which is 0.95793 or 0.96 to be exact, and your RSI will going to the upside just like that, and will crawl back to the upside before it goes like this. Okay, that's just my idea for XRP. Okay, I'm not telling you that it will happen because maybe we can have some pumps here that maybe this is the bottom also. It could, but I'm still thinking that maybe we can see some another leg down. Okay, but I'm telling you that maybe we are in the end game. Okay, the end is near. Look at this. Look at your EMAs. This blue line is so near to cross this red line, and maybe that's the bottom of XRP if it crosses, just like it did in the past, like this one, right? It crosses and you see the bottom is in. So now let's proceed to other tokens. Let's go on US dollar dominance first. So I was just thinking, look at this, a nice rejection of this pattern that we made. We have this red line right here, as you all can see, and it got rejected. Okay, we got rejected in this area. Okay, so looking at your RSI here, it's simply looking at the bearish divergence here where your price going up and your RSI is going down. So of course it won't typically go down just like that. It may create some momentum to the upside and then crawl back down, then up, then going to the downside. Maybe that's gonna be it for your US dollar dominance. And looking at your daily time frame here, okay, it's a clear rejection right here. Okay, you see this one, this cross right here, it's a reversal pattern, so it can go down for as low as this 20 EMA right here at around 8.15%, and eventually maybe we can see some nice rally again to the upside and then still get rejected, something like that. Or maybe we can see some ABC correction creating to this neckline right here. See what I'm talking, neckline right here, the end of this parallel channel right here. So maybe we can see some ABC correction like that, and then something like that. Okay, I don't know if you are with me, but I was just showing you the possibilities of how this chart will happen. Okay, going on to BTC, Bitcoin, US dollar trade pair. Okay, looking at this chart, it looks like we're not still done yet. Look at those 20 EMA to your 200 EMA. This blue line to your red line is still near. Looking at this, I'm expecting maybe we can pump to this retest to this 200 EMA around $67,000, coming back up or down again, or eventually we can still go straight to the downside and then consolidate for more months. Okay, and of course, just like what I'm telling you, I want to see a bullish divergence where your price is going down to our target, which is this one, 52 to 54,000 or 55,000 US dollar, which is your price is going down and your eyes is crawling back to the upside, which is going up. That's your biggest bullish divergence. And if you see that, of course, that's your big sign that the bottom is in. So actually, if you are a trader, if you are a spot trader especially, you can time the market, you can time the bottom. But if you do, then you're lucky and good for you. But most of the time, if you perfectly time the market, it won't happen. You're gonna get left behind, you're gonna let some FOMO kick in. Because if it pumps, you're gonna chase those green candles, which is wrong. Smart money comes when everyone is afraid to hop in. And they get it in a discount. And you are buying when it goes up. So that's a tragedy, you know. So let's go to stellar lumens, which is excellent. I'm telling you, this is a nice chart. Looking at this triangle right here, we have some maybe completed this ABC correction, A, B, C, D, E correction. So maybe we can see some rally to the upside, especially with this good news for stellar. Isn't it ironic? You see a nice chart and then a good news, or maybe it's all the chart. So I don't listen to the noise, I'm just looking at the charts. Everything can happen. But look at this. After the big pump, maybe we can humble those moon boys there. Maybe we can go back here to your level area of support, which is your previous resistance right here. Okay, which is also your 20 EMA, this blue line right here. So it could go down to as low as this 0.19 to 0.18 US dollar. For your XLM, looking at your daily time frame here, okay, your RSI still on this pattern, which eventually I'm thinking that we can hold this 50 line in your RSI and then bounce off to the upside, and then bounce off to the upside. Yeah, that's just my idea for XLM right now. Okay, I'm not telling you that it will happen. I was just telling you my ideas, my opinion based on the chart. Okay, or it could be, yeah, it can pump right here and then go down here, or even as low as its previous support right here. I won't be surprised if it happens, okay, because the bear market is still not yet done. We can still go lower, okay, so be careful for that. But if you are on a DCA method or plan, if your plan is to DCA, then all of these tokens are on a discount right now, especially this SUI token right here. Okay, I've adjusted the charts right here. Look at this, we have a nice support here, and now we are creating a nice support right now. Okay, look at that, it touches here. Okay, it touches here, it touches here, and now we're touching this one. So maybe this 0.67 is the low. The only thing we're gonna see is some consolidation like this. Okay, that's just my idea for SUI. Okay, and of course, while it consolidates, your RSI is creating a nice momentum. Okay, looking at your daily, should I check it in daily? Yeah, maybe it could come back up here to 20 EMA, which is around 0.84. It could come back up and down, creating some double bottom right there. Sorry for the drawings, not nice, but I hope you get the idea here. Also, looking at your RSI and daily, it's so oversold. Okay, most of cryptos are so oversold right now. Not talking about engine. Maybe let's talk about H bar. Okay, let's talk about H bar. Okay, also this one is a nice pattern also. Okay. So I'm looking at these charts right now. Okay. Maybe we can still go down to here 0.07, or even the lowest is 0.6 US dollar for H bar. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust something in like here. Yep, maybe there. Okay, this one is staying flat, but the RSI of course is a good thing. You see, it's going up and your price is on a flat. So if it goes down right there and your RSI still going up, and then you know what I mean. Yeah, H bar is good. Looking at your Algorand, I don't know if you're interested in Algorand, but I do. So let's take a quick look. Okay, it goes back and it can come back further down to its previous support, and now we can see some nice, I don't know if it's the bottom right here or maybe some kind of like this one. So I'm waiting for this and a blast off here so we can come down like that, something like that. Yeah, and maybe that's your inverse head and shoulders. So let's see if it plays out, and I'm gonna get you updated if that happens. Okay, so please give me a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for me. Help me grow this account, because I am truly telling you what's my opinion. I'm not trying to hype anyone. I'm just trying to give some insights or ideas to all of us. So be careful, be mindful, plan your trades, and then trade your plan. Focus on yourself. Okay, don't get stressed, don't get FOMO, don't get hype, and don't get FUD. Don't listen to the noise. Just trust yourself and the charts. Thank you, bye bye, and God bless.